What is going on, everyone? Thank you for watching another episode here at All I See Is W. Well, today I wanted to create this video to give you stock news updates on how the market went today. Now, I'll be sharing with you some hot tickers that I feel will bull run in the year 2021. So let's get started. But first off, before I begin, I'd like to inform you that all of the information I'll be sharing with you should be used as guidance information only. And anytime when you do consider making an investment, please make sure to always do your research. Well, first off, let's say if you're new to investing where you don't have a trading account, I would highly recommend that you check out the link down below for Webull. You can also get a chance to earn up to 4 free stocks if you sign up with Webull with the link that I provide down below. Also, I do have my online merchandise branding, All I See Is W. So let's say if you are an authentic follower, please check out my online merchandise and consider making a purchase to support my channel. Now, before I begin, I'd like to inform you that all of the information I'll be sharing with you should be used as guidance information only. And anytime when you do consider making an investment, please always make sure to do your research. Now, the first ticker I wanted to share with you is Zoe Medica. Now, this company is working on a diagnostic test intended to be used on animals like dogs and cats to test for hypo and hyperthyroid problems where animals eat too little or too much. Now, we know that in terms of barriers to entry, the fact that there's minimal competitors in this market, once True Pharma, its product line, gets released sometime in March of 2021, it's going to take off, and I firmly believe that it can gain by 3 to 10-fold from where it's currently at right now. I was recommending this ticker when it was like at low volume, when it was hovering at the 6 to 7 cents, and it's great to see that the base is at the above $1 threshold now, and we shall see the stairway climber take place with Zoe Medica. And the fact that there's a new CEO in place with experience being able to implement and scale up production, this is going to look very solid for True Pharma as well as Zoe Medica. Now, the next ticker I wanted to share with you is Anova Pharmaceuticals. Now, this company has gone through so much adversity in the year 2020, especially with Citron sending out a tweet to bring down the company's share price. Well, today, the share price had gone up close to like 35% without any news. And if and when the company releases announcement of its phase 3 clearance to start performing clinical trials in that phase, then I firmly believe the share price can catapult upward by like 5 to 10-fold easily. And the fact that we're now hearing that the current commercial vaccines such as Pfizer, Moderna, not really working as intended. I mean, I've heard stories where doctors are getting immunized and they're getting positive results with the COVID testing. And the fact that there's this U.S. Senate that just got positive results even after the second dose of Pfizer, that just tells you that the 95% efficacy really doesn't make much sense, right? Because a true vaccine would be able to provide immunity and prevent you from getting the COVID-19. Well, in terms of people now showing that they're getting positive results, that just tells you that there's still lots of opportunities for companies to create actual safe and effective vaccines. And that's why I firmly believe Anova Pharmaceuticals is well positioned to showcase itself with its DNA platform. Now, in terms of share price, I firmly believe that it can reach its prior resistance of $36 before it bull runs up all the way up to like 80 to 100. That's my exit strategy, because I'm here to reel in a big tuna, not sardines and little minnows, right? And I know there's, day traders, swing traders out there just trying to catch little trouts to gain, profit, but not really holding long term. Well, I'm trying to go for the long haul. So that's my takeaway with Anova Pharmaceuticals. Now, the next ticker I wanted to share with you is a plant-based company that I've been long just recommending, and that's IBIO by the ticker IBIO, led by Tom Isett. Now, Tom has assembled a solid team to build on a robust clinical and finance program, and we shall see positive results coming out, as well as hearing IND submission of its IBIO 201, the subunit lichen protein. And the fact that this company is working with Texas A&M as part of its operations to scale up any potential vaccine that it develops, that just tells you that it's affiliated with one of the largest school institutions in the state of Texas alone. And in terms of costs, I firmly believe that once it scales up operations, it won't be as costly as other companies that are manufacturing vaccines. So that's why IBIO is a value add play. And currently the share price is at around the 180. I firmly believe that it can bull run back up to its prior resistance. We just don't know when the timing will take place, but it will take place in 2021 from my perspective. And the fact that it's working with ATP Therapeutics, where it's a contract manufacturer for the design company out in Belgium, I firmly believe that the cash flow will start coming in, since it's a contract manufacturer to support the manufacturer of different developed design products not created by IBIO, and it also has developed vaccines in place as well. So let's not lose sight of what IBIO can do for you. Now, the next ticker I wanted to share with you is Vaxxer by the ticker VXRT. Now, this is a San Francisco biotech-based company that's also working on a COVID-19 vaccine, where the mode of delivery is not an injection, but it's actually an oral pill form that you take. Now, today the share price had bull run up to like 45%, including the aftermarket, and phase 1 clinical trials results have not even been announced yet. If and when the results do get announced, I firmly believe that the share price can hover up to like the $20 to $25 share price. So let's not ignore what Vaxxer can do for you. And it's been just bull running up. Just recently, a few weeks back, it was only hovering at the $6, and now it's almost up to like $20 already. So that's like 2-3-fold increase right there. So let's not lose sight of what Vaxxer can do for you, especially with its monopolized mode of delivery, where it has developed barriers of entry where companies can't really design a COVID-19 vaccine using an oral pill form. Next ticker I wanted to share with you is Sorrento Therapeutics by the ticker SRNE, led by CEO Henry G, a San Diego-based company that's working on a wide array of different drug products intended for COVID-19. They're focusing on diagnostic testing, where it has a quick cycle time where you don't have to send it into the lab. They're working on antiviral treatments, cocktail treatments for hospitalized patients dealing with severe COVID-19 problems, as well as developing vaccines right now, and including monoclonal antibodies. And the fact that it has an ex-FDA employee working at the company, I know that it understands how to look at how to get product approval through the lens of regulatory. So Henry G has developed a solid team to be able to get his products approved or going through emergency use authorization, and we shall hear news coming very soon, and implementation will take place. Next ticker I wanted to share with you is a San Diego biotech-based company that's unrelated to the COVID-19 pandemic, where they're focused more on the ocular disease, and that's SKYE Bioscience. Now, I really like this company because of its leadership, its rebranding, and its product innovation. It is working on a prodrug, THC VHS, a bioengineered product intended to be used on glaucoma patients dealing with blindness, where they have increased intraocular pressure. Now, let's say even if the patients have normal intraocular pressure, it's also trying to demonstrate that its prodrug can add value by providing neuroprotective effects, and there's no traditional drug product out there in the field that provides neuroprotection to prevent glaucoma. So that's $1 billion sector that's going to be a disruptive area, and if and when SKYE is able to demonstrate that its product can significantly reduce intraocular pressure compared to the traditional drugs, as well as providing neuroprotection, this company is going to take off. And from a share price standpoint, I firmly believe that it will reach the whole dollar share price value, and possibly up to $5 to $10 very, very soon. And it's all going to be market driven based on news and its spectacular clinical trial results, and the fact that it's planning on getting human clinical trials started in the second half of the year. I firmly believe that its drug product will demonstrate safety and efficacy, and it will showcase to all the large-scale pharmaceutical drugs that it can compete against the big boys. Now, the next ticker I wanted to share with you is Blue Sphere Corporation by the ticker BLSP. What's so unique about this company, right? Well, we know that energy right now is the name of the game, and the fact that it's able to leverage renewable energy through agricultural waste and using that as an input with their process and outputting clean energy for use, that just tells you that this company is able to add value to society, especially with its purpose in how it's able to advance clean energy. And from a share price standpoint, I was previously recommending this ticker when it was like 0.005 in value, and the fact that it's now close to like 2 cents, that's by about like 300% positive proceeds. Or it did take a downward trend. However, I do feel like the 10 cents is coming very soon in Q1 of 2021. So let's not lose sight of what Blue Spirit Corporation can do for you. Now, we know that in terms of politics, with how the market sentiment is changing, there's so much support in clean energy right now. So let's say if you're investing in this company, I would suggest holding long term, because if you look at the volume in terms of trading, a few weeks back it was up in the billions of volume trading, and that's why I feel like there's just so much attention with this company. And most importantly, I like the branding of this company, and that's why I feel like it's showcasing itself. People like the term Blue Spirit Corporation, and this company will continue to get partnerships in the long run and support. And for those reasons, I firmly believe the share price will mature in future value growth. So overall, these are the tickers I wanted to share with you, and I hope that this video added value in the sense that it gave you new insights on several stock tickers that I had shared with you. So hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please make sure to hit the like and subscribe for more related content. Well, thanks again for watching another episode here at All I See Is W. Thank you all.